What is Begonia Silver Jewel? The Begonia Silver Jewel is a captivating houseplant that has stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts, myself included. Its mesmerizing foliage, a stunning display of metallic silver accented by vibrant green veins, makes it a true conversation starter. But beyond its beauty, the silver jewel is also known for being relatively easy to care for. In this FAQ, I'll address some of the most common questions I get about this dazzling begonia, providing you with the information you need to bring its shimmering charm into your own home. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. Light requirements: sun worshipper or shade dweller? The Begonia Silver Jewel thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight, especially during the harsh afternoon hours, can scorch the delicate leaves. Aim for a spot near an east-facing window where it receives the gentle morning sun. If south-facing windows are your only option, consider filtering the light with sheer curtains. Remember, insufficient light can cause the leaves to lose their vibrancy and become stretched. Rotate your plant regularly to ensure even growth. Watering needs: finding the perfect balance. Finding the perfect watering routine for your Begonia Silver Jewel is key. Overwatering is a common culprit for root rot, so it's better to err on the side of underwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. During the winter months, when growth slows down, you can reduce watering frequency even further. Pro tip: when watering, avoid splashing water on the leaves. This can encourage fungal diseases. Opt for bottom watering by placing the pot in a shallow dish filled with water. Allow the soil to soak up the water for about 15 minutes, then remove the pot from the dish. Soil preference: a happy home for roots. A well-draining potting mix is essential for your Begonia Silver Jewel. A good option is a commercial potting mix specifically formulated for African violets or aroid plants. These mixes typically contain perlite or orchid bark, which provide excellent drainage and aeration. Here's a simple DIY potting mix recipe. 2 parts potting soil. 1 part perlite. 1 part orchid bark. Remember, ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Temperature and humidity: keeping your begonia comfortable. The Begonia Silver Jewel prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or cold drafts. Moderate to high humidity levels are ideal for this begonia. If your home's air is dry, consider using a pebble tray or humidifier to increase humidity around the plant. Alternative: group your Begonia Silver Jewel with other humidity-loving plants to create a microclimate. Does the Begonia Silver Jewel flower? Yes, the Begonia Silver Jewel does produce small, insignificant white flowers in clusters during the winter months. However, the true showstopper is undoubtedly the foliage. Some growers choose to remove the flowers to encourage the plant to focus its energy on leaf production. Common pests and diseases to watch out for. While generally pest-resistant, the Begonia Silver Jewel can occasionally attract mealybugs or fungus gnats. If you notice these pests, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew may also occur due to overwatering or poor air circulation. Ensure proper ventilation and adjust your watering habits if necessary. Begonia Silver Jewel versus Begonia Rex: what's the difference? Both the Begonia Silver Jewel and the Begonia Rex are known for their stunning foliage. However, there are some key differences. The Silver Jewel features puckered, metallic silver leaves with radiating green veins. The Begonia Rex, on the other hand, boasts a wider variety of leaf shapes, patterns, and colors. In terms of care, the Silver Jewel prefers slightly brighter light than the Begonia Rex. The Rex begonia might require slightly more humidity. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the light conditions in your home. Can I propagate my Begonia Silver Jewel? Absolutely. Propagating your Begonia Silver Jewel is a great way to create new plants and share the beauty with friends. The most common methods are stem cuttings and leaf cuttings. Spring and summer are the ideal times for propagation. Conclusion: bringing the dazzling Begonia Silver Jewel home. The Begonia Silver Jewel is a captivating houseplant that combines stunning looks with relative ease of care. With its shimmering foliage and manageable requirements, it's a perfect addition to brighten any indoor space. By following these FAQs, you can provide your Begonia silver jewel with the perfect environment to thrive and bring you years of enjoyment.